Okay, so you remember our video, Buy a Hobo? Well, now we got Buy a Human. Our precious human, Not Yep. Hello, Not Yep. Okay. I'm hungry. And this is acting. Can you make me breakfast, Not Yep?
Here you go.
Fiber 1! Thanks, Not Yep!
No problem.
She can also sing awesome songs. Not Yep, sing Kesha.
TikTok's gonna cause this place about to blow.
Alright, shut up. Now do Rihanna.
Oh, no, what's her name? Who that chick? La, 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 la.
Okay, shut up now. Dude, tonight I'm loving you.
Tonight I'm loving you.
Okay, shut up. I don't want to hear that Italian guy
Tonight I'm
anymore.
loving you.
Okay.
She can even break dance.
See? Yeah, look at Not Yep go.
Alright, so let's see what Not Yep can play.
Yep, want to play?
Yeah!
No running games. You know I have arthritis in my legs. I have very brittle legs.
Pancake, fingers,
Oh God, my legs broke from the running. Not Yep, that was fun. Not Yep, nice job. You can even be a human alarm clock. And if you touch her head, she makes a random noise to lighten the day. You see what I mean? Isn't she awesome? Okay, so just to get this Buy a Human offer of the cheapest offer of $99.9999999, you're going to have to call this number right here. Right below my fingers. You should call it. Call it now! Alright, let's do a replay in fast mode. Her name is Not Yep, and she makes awesome breakfast. She makes a great alarm clock and a great playmate. She can make awesome noises to lighten the mood, and she can sing songs beautifully and breakdance with the singing. Let's sing the goodbye song that she sang or wrote by herself.
Goodbye, people. Goodbye. Goodbye. Forever.
Not forever, Not Yet. Peyton and I are going to make more videos, Not Yet. Not Yet. That's enough, Not Yet. Not Yet! So this concludes our Buy a Human. Now call now. Remember, just right here. Right here. Don't forget to call.